Hey guys, so I see there's a few questions about the mobile side and the desktop changing. So I want to shoot a quick video and show you kind of tips on how to make it not do that. So there's three sections of a page. We have the header, the body, and the footer. So what happens is a lot of times people expand the header, right? And then they add maybe some text. This is some text here, and they put it on the header. So when you do anything on the header, it changes all your pages. So if I change from my playground page to my second page, I'm also going to see this part because again, the header changes all the pages. And if I go on the mobile, it's also going to be on the header, right? So the second part that I want to show you is, so that's the first thing. The first thing is make sure that you're not working on the header. So leave the header up there and make sure that you're working on the body itself. The second tip is that when you go into the mobile side, you have your text here on the mobile, and let's say, let's make it really big right here. If you go on the mobile side, it's also going to be big, right? But then when you're on the mobile side, if you right click on it and click on customization and change the font, just make it small so it fits on the mobile nicely. When you go back into your desktop, it's not going to change it. But if you're on the mobile side and you double click on and change it, it's also going to change it on the desktop, right? So again, if you're on the mobile side and you need to change or edit your text, right click on it and click on customization. You can change the font. So if, for example, make it big, it's not going to change it on the desktop. The desktop is still going to be the same, right? Here's the footer. Footer works is the same as the header. Anything that you do in the footer is going to change it to all your pages. If you need more space on your website, you just put the footer down, you just keep scrolling until you don't need it anymore. So just make sure that you're always working on the body, leave the header alone by itself up there, and then always work on the body. And when you're on the mobile side, you can right click on it, click on some customization, change the font, do whatever you need to do on that part. Now, if you need to change something completely different and you don't want to change it from the desktop, so what you want to do is right click on the item, and then you're going to hide it, and then just add your whatever you need for the mobile side. And this is not going to do it. It's not going to change it to your desktop. There's the text that we had before, but on the mobile side it's hidden, and I just added the new one. Anyways, there you have it, a couple of tips on how to work with the editor and the mobile side. I hope that helps.